everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be continuing with Scratch. We're going to learn about all of the blocks in the motion category. There are 9 categories in total, but today I will be covering motion, and in other videos I will be covering the other parts. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. Let's get coding. So the first block we have here is move 10 steps. It's a really simple block. It clearly tells you that it is to move 10 steps forward. So now I'm just going to show you how this works. So when flag clicked, move 10 steps. You see, it just moved. And then we have turn 15 degrees. And we have a right arrow. That means it turns 15 degrees towards the right. You can see that. Now it's the opposite. Turn 15 degrees but to the left. You can change this 15 degrees to any other number. It turn 100 degrees towards the left. Next is go to random position. It clearly tells you that the sprite goes to a random position. You can see that. And if you click on the small arrow over there, you can see a mouse pointer. So wherever a mouse pointer, it will go towards that side. So you can see my mouse pointer was on the flag. So it came really near to the flag. Next is go to x minus 117 and y 59. So this is the actual position. So you can see here x this much and y that much. So x is the value horizontally or sleeping line. Y is the value vertically or standing line. So this small screen actually has a very big grid, and each line has its own number. Each point has its own number. That is the x position and the y position. The x position and y position starts from the top left corner. So here where my mouse pointer is, there it's x 0 and y 0. So let me change this to x 17 or maybe 16 and y. So this is the location x16 and y10. So it will go to that location. Next we have glide 1 second to random position. That means it will glide for 1 second to any random position. So I can do it to 10 seconds or maybe 5 seconds and run. You can see for 5 seconds it was gliding towards the right side corner, and that is a random position. I didn't tell it to slide to that right side corner. Here you can of course do it to mouse pointer also. So here you can see slowly it's coming towards my mouse pointer. Next is glide 1 second to negative 22x and 11y. So actually all of this value is changing when you change the location of the sprite. Okay. So here you can see it's 63 and 72. So that means it's negative 63 and 72. Negative 63 for x, positive 72 for y. I can change it. Now it's positive 170 for x and positive 73 for y. Same way I'm going to change it over here. So it glid for 1 second to x position 72, y position 11. If you give 1 minute time or maybe 60 seconds time, so it will do the speed accordingly. It'll do the speed accordingly. So if you have 1 second, then it'll go a little quick. If it's 10 seconds, it'll go a little slow. And then we have point in direction 90. So it will point toward the direction the number you give. So direction 90 is straight. So 90 degrees basically. So you can see that. So if I do negative 120, let's see. Yeah, if I put it back to okay 0, then again. Then if I want 90, simple. And then you have point towards mouse pointer. This is also the same. It will point towards the mouse pointer. See? And then we have change x by 10. That means change x position by how many numbers? Here it's 10 numbers. You can do 40. So see here, if I change this to 10, so it comes there. Now I change it by 40. So that means it should be 50. The x position should be 50. It's 50. So it just adds the number and change the position. And then we have set x to 50. That means don't add but set it. Here we have 40 and the position was 10. So that means 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So it will go to x position 50. But here it's set x position to 50. No matter what value it was in starting, it could be 10, it could be 50, it could be 100. But it will come back to 50 if you do set x to 50. So I'm going to do 500 over here. It went out of the screen. Let me do 20. It came back. Here same with the y. Change y by 10. It will add the y value. So here we have 11 and if we change it by 10 we should have 21. See, it's 21. But if I set y to 21, no matter what value it was in starting, it will come to 21. So let me do 40. Next is if on edge bounce. So if the sprite is on the edges, which is here, there, or maybe there, or there, this side, so it will bounce off. So maybe I could show you that. So I'm going to get the go to x 0 and 0, or maybe I can do 1. Okay, let's do 5 and 5. It's really close. It's kind of near to the corners. See, it's always on the edge, so it's bouncing off. So it's never going over there. 5 and 5 is on the edge, so it will bounce off. And this is a little confusing, but you'll understand it soon. Here we have set rotation style to left, right, don't rotate, or all around. So left, right is rotate to the left and then to the right, and then to the left and then to the right. But then don't rotate is don't rotate at all. And all around is keep going in circles. So here actually I don't have a rotation block, so I'm just going to keep it there. Okay, so I still have it left, right. Okay, so if I don't rotate, it will go back. All around, tada. Just going to random positions. Going to random rotations. Here we have X position, Y position and direction. This is like a checkbox. So this is actually for the value. So if you want to put the value over here in the circle always goes in circle. If you want to do like this, so then you can do. So I can show you the experiment. So I'm going to do X value as 10 and Y value also as 10. And here I'm going to do go to 0 and 0. Okay, let's do X value 20 and Y value 10. So now X value is 20, but I'm going to take X position and put it in Y. So what is the X position now? 20. Y position 10. So now it will go to x position 5 and y position x position. X position is 20. So maybe if you want to understand this in an easier way, here x position is equal to 20. Is it right? 20. Y position is equal to 10. But I want my sprite to move x equal to 5 and y equal to a already stored variable which is x. So I'll write xp for x position. So basically this full thing is my block. Now xp yani x position. What is x? X is the x position and x position is a variable. That variable value is 20. That means it will go to x20, sorry, x5 and y20. Let's run it. I told you x5 and y20. So now this is the same y position. Y position will get the variable y position which is now 20. It can be anything. Now this is direction. So what is the direction? Which angle is it? To which angle is it? Is it 90 degrees? It is 50 degrees. So maybe to show that, I can get a turn block as its direction. So you really need to turn in that direction. So I'm doing turn right to direction. I don't know what is the direction for now, but you can see it's turning to direction. So for today, this was just enough, and in the next video, I'm going to cover the topic looks, and next I'm going to do all of these. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun coding. Goodbye.